Hello my friends and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a plan with me. I'm pre-planning and I am on an Avalon and Ninth kick. So I know that there's been a lot of videos up lately with Avalon and Ninth, but I can tell you, I'm going to show you. I'm just going to show you the absolute gloriousness that I am in right now. But this, my friends, is my Avalon and Ninth sticker holder. See? A&N. Even is in the A&N folder. So I need to use my kits. I stopped hoarding them and I need to use them. And so we're using them. And so this is for the week where TPC Nation convention is over. I think we're flying home on Monday. So this is the week that we come home from our vacation. So I'm going to be using this one that's called Paranormal Investigation. This is kit number 38403 from Avalon and Ninth. And this is just fantastic. I love, wait till you see the washi. Like the bottom washi is to die for. I'm also using my Avalon and Ninth planner. And these are all of the full boxes. Here's your date covers and your glitters. Here's all your extras. Here's your grid boxes, the fun page, rounded boxes with the patterns, your check boxes, and glorious washi. Absolutely fantastic washi. And then these are all dividers. So, and somewhere in here, this right here is also dividers. So I am going to start. Oh, also got my wacky holidays. And I'm going to start by showing you last week because it is just absolute fantasticness. So, oh my gosh, take a look at this. So this one I did on my Instagram, but I also put down all the wacky holidays that I had. So it's ready to go. There's like a little bug in here. It's driving me crazy. I've been fighting him for a while. Anyway, this is on my Instagram, so there's like an actual like fast little put down all these stickers, but look at how stinking cute this is. So this is River Street stickers. So on to this week. I just wanted to show you that because I am just so proud of it. It's just so stinking adorable. So I'm gonna start by putting down the washi because if I do it this way, then I won't mess up again and cut the washi when it doesn't need to be cut. So there's the bottom. Look at how stinking adorable that is. Oh my gosh, I love this. I wish she had like washi tape in this because I would put it all over everything. I decided to do it a while ago, but then I never did it again. But I think I'm going to start making like dashboards for my other planner, which is, let's see if I can find it. Anyway, for this guy, let's start making dashboards for this guy using this fantastic washi that we keep getting so that I can use it up. Because did you know that washi has a shelf life? It's not a forever thing. So if you don't use it, there's a really good possibility that by the time you get back to it, it won't stick anymore. So I need to start using my washi and stop being a big baby and hoarding everything and start actually using it. Because it's not like there's a shortage, you know? You can always buy more. I feel sometimes like I'm just a collector of things and not actually a user of my things that I collect. What else was I going to tell you about? Oh, I started putting together my Harry Potter Lego set. So I got, it's gigantic. It is so big. But when we were in San Diego Comic-Con, we also went to the Lego store on the last day because we were getting ready to leave, and there's a Lego, obviously Legoland is in San Diego, so there's a Lego store pretty much on every corner. And we went to one and I picked up the Hedwig. It's like a huge Hedwig sitting on top of a bunch of spell books and it is way bigger than I thought it was. Like, oh my gosh, gigantic. Let me put the date dots on here so I know what day I'm talking about. 11, 12 on. So I started putting it together and now it is sitting up on my shelf because I can't finish it before all of my other stuff gets done because I've been busy doing shop stuff and getting other things done. But I am like really shocked at how gigantic that thing is. It's really big. So I don't know if you guys are into Legos or not, but be aware that if you get the Hedwig like statue, it is not gonna fit on a conventional shelf. 17. Pre-planning this far ahead makes me sad because I feel like I already went on vacation and now I'm coming back. And I don't like it because I haven't even left yet. Okay. That looks nice, except for I can see the little, I'm just not going to stress out about it. I'm just going to forget about it. If I don't see it, it's not there. right? So there's 2 double boxes in here. So I have to be kind of strategic about where I put stuff. But, ooh, this one will go good right here. Put this guy up there. Fantastic. Did you love this? Like, this sidebar is like to die for. I just think that is so stinking cute. Not a whole lot of stuff in there, but I love having those rip things. And I do know that Avalon and Knight started doing journaling kits. And I've seen her use the journaling kits on Instagram on regular like B6 pages and just doing it that way. And it is glorious. So I don't know, it's kind of like on the back of my mind to pick one up and see if I like the way it lays down, or even use one of my own. I probably could use one of my own journaling kits in my B6 and see how it looks, but I really liked the way it looked on her Instagram. So I might want to try one out. So, Spooky Squad, put that one down. I know I'm doing an all bottom this time. I want to do something a little bit different. I'm not going to use that one here. That one's going to go at the bottom. Ooh, let's do something different. Let's put the double box in the middle because Exit is a good Sunday one. So this is another double box, but we're going to put this one right in the middle instead of on the weekend. There's one. This is really cute kit. And 2 there. And then this one will go at the bottom. I like using two of them on my sidebar. So that way I have nothing left over and it looks fantastic. I love it. And then I'm going to do the sidebar first so that I can use some of this stuff that I want on the sidebar, which is like, since we're coming back on Monday, this is going to be like a regular week. So I can do a weekly cleaning because Lord knows this house is going to need to be cleaned top to bottom when I get home. I pretty much vacuum it almost constantly because we have, right now, we have 3 dogs. One of them is a German Shepherd, and I'm going to put this one on Monday because that's the day we're coming back. And she's pretty much sheds constantly, like constantly. And then the other 2 are just little dogs. They shred, but not as bad. So I vacuum, I would say probably 3-4 times a week. Even if it's just like a small, quick clean up. We don't have any carpet. We have all wood floors throughout the whole house, so it's not a big deal. But you know, like you have to clean the edges and stuff like that. And I do that several times a week. And we're gonna be gone for like almost 2 weeks. And I guarantee you that my son is not going to vacuum the house. I'll be lucky if he remembers to take out the trash on Sunday so that the trash guy can pick it up. Not saying anything bad about my son. He is fantastic. And it is not his job to do this. I asked him to do it, you know, to kind of feed the dogs and stuff like that. It was not really his job to take care of my house. So it's not like I'm upset that he's not doing it. It's just that I know when I get home, there's going to be a lot to do. So put that there. Also, we are going to need, you know what? I'm going to put the other one there too, because we're going to have to figure out food. Definitely gonna have to figure out food. I can use this one for food because we do go back to work Wednesday, Thursday, so this will be kind of like around. Oh no, you're crooked. You are so crooked. I can't do the crooked today. Here, let's do it like this. Sidebars are hard for me because there's no edge for me to line things up on. All right, I'm just getting irritated. Let's just go like that. Good enough. Good enough. And then I think there's a feeding thing. Yeah, there's a feeding time one in here. So we'll do this. And then put it down straight. And then I'm going to put a divider above it. There's that. And then we'll pick a divider. So which divider do we want? They're all fantastic. Let's do this one. There. I love the patterns in this one. This kit is really nice. Okay, so we've got the food, figuring out the food, figuring out the cleaning. That's good. We're done there. Don't need to worry about that. But we are going to use dividers. I'm not using any glitter this time. I'm going to use all the fantastic beautiful patterns in this kit, in the dividers, so we're good. So we need that. I already have here, I've got my food thing on here. So we need one of these. I think we'll do, wait a minute. I'm gonna go like this for my little character stickers. And under it, we'll do another divider under it. So I really want to use these dividers. Okay, perfect. There it is. Now for the next one, these boxes are fantastic. Like, I love these boxes because what having the grid pattern inside makes it easy for me to like make that like a checkbox and then write something, checkbox, write something. So that way when I have like big lists of stuff that need to get done, those are like the perfect boxes for me to use for that. So, and there are 2 of them in her kits. This is another one of the ones that's just a regular kit that's in the shop. It's not a subscription, so it is out there for everybody if you guys want it. Easy to find. Let's put this at the bottom. And these are work days. I'll make sure I don't forget to put down what I need for that. Oh, we can do one of these almost every single day, which makes me very happy because I have so many character stickers and I am determined to use as many of them as I can possibly use. I'm going to put this here and one of these under it. That should get me through this day. Figuring out everything that I need to do. Work day. Let's go work. So I have workity work and being an adult. And since I'm only working for those 2 days, we're going to put workity work and then I'll put a label under it so that I can write where I'm working because I work in 2 different departments on these days. So there's that one. Coil in the way. I should have brought the thing over here so that I could bump up this side. And then this one on this side, I'll put something up top first before we get to that. So we're going to do another guy like, oh, we need a divider. Let's do the purple ghosty divider. You're going to hear my dog. He's going to start whining because he's having a dream. I think he's chasing the cat again. So he's like right beside me in this little dog bed. Sometimes I feel bad and I'll wake him up, but then he seems more upset that I woke him up. So I'm just going to let him go. There we go. That'll work. And then the other one of these is called being an adult. So I'm assuming that means going to work because that's like, I guess, the adult thing to do. Sometimes I really hate being an adult. And then we'll put this right under it so I know where I'm going to be that day. Okay, now we can finish playing with this one. We need another. I want to use the pattern. Oh, these beautiful rounded pattern boxes. I'm going to start jumping all over the place again because I really want these. Oh, look at this one, the spooky outside. I like that a lot. So pretty. And then we'll do this. Jumping around again. And then we have our every single week phone call on this day. So I'll put that right there. Then we need our character sticker, which goes on, where did the thing go? Here it is. I don't have one of these for every day. There's only, you hear him? Oh, this poor baby. He's so upset. He's like really, you should see his little paws are going crazy right now. He's really chasing whatever it is.